online backup, especially online backup. If you go with a, if you need a physical backup, you should go with the only option, this one, right? Just stop the services, then take the dump, copy the exact data directory, then restore. That part we will do normally. That is offline backup. But I don't want to proceed with offline backup, but I need a physical backup. In that case, I have only one alternative, that is extra backup. Okay. Other than extra backup also, with logical backup, post this one. MySQL good thing is, with logical backup, you can able to perform point in time recovery. That is the good thing. If you take the dump with MySQL dump, right, that backup you can use for point in time recovery. But main thing is you should have enough, which files?
WAR files, block files.
Enough bin log files, right? So first we'll do one thing. Today we'll go with a PITR. Later I will jump into the point in time recovery. Sorry, extra backup. Later I will jump. First we'll go with the point in time recovery. Okay. So let me add a few things for point in time recovery.
Ram, one question is like quickly. We have monitoring also. Monitoring would be
PMM tool is there.
Okay. మీరు చూపిస్తారా మాకు ఎట్లా ఇన్స్టాల్ చేయాలని?
చూస్తానండి. నాగియోస్ లో కవర్ చేస్తాను, ఇందులో కవర్ చేస్తానో చెప్తాను మీకు.
పర్కున చేస్తే మాకు రియల్ టైం లో యూజ్ అవుతుంది, అది యూస్ఫుల్ అవుతుంది.
అలా ఏమనొద్దు, బయట అంత సీన్ లేదు, ఎవరు వాడుతున్నట్లేదు అట్లా. పిఎంఎం అంటే కదా, పిఎంఎం వాడాలని ఏం లేదు. ఓకేనా?
సో మాక్సిమం రియల్ టైం లో ఏది యూజ్ అవుతుంది?
కంపెనీ టు కంపెనీ చేంజింగ్. నాగియోస్ వాడుతున్నారు ఎక్కువ 80% నాగియోస్ అండి.
మా కంపెనీలో కూడా నాగియోస్ వాడుతున్నాం అండి
ఎక్కువ. ఎక్కడ చూసినా అదే ఉంటది మోస్ట్లీ. ఈ మధ్య జాబిక్స్ కొంచెం ఉంది. కొంతమంది మనీ ఉన్న వాళ్ళు డేటా డాక్ వెళ్ళిపోతున్నారు. ఓకేనా? యా. సో టుడే క్లాస్ వెయిట్ యాక్చువల్లీ flow will spoil. Wait for some time. Sorry, I will give some time. We'll discuss point in time recovery. We all know this one. Point in time recovery, any database it should support point in time recovery. If it is not supporting point in time recovery, no point of having database. Okay. So what is point in time recovery? Daily, for example, daily or hourly, whatever it is, daily we will have full backup, right? Full backup. For safety we will take we will schedule. For example, if I daily backup from 6 AM to 7 AM running. Okay, 7 AM my backup complete. 7 AM backup will complete. So in that case, someone created one table by 8 AM. 8 AM. Okay, loaded huge data until 11 AM. Until 11 AM. Okay. Suddenly table got dropped at 11 AM. 11 AM. Okay. If I restore the full backup, can I get the table? Hey Akbar, keep in mute. Yeah. If I restore the full backup, can I get table back? We cannot get the table back, right? By that time, table itself not created. My backup complete at 7 o'clock. By that time, table itself not created. So what I will do here, we will restore the full backup first. On top of that, until 7 AM to 10:59, right? 10:59, I will restore the binary logs. Okay, but in that way I can able to recover my data. So that concept we will call it as a point in time recovery. See, even though we do not have enough full backup, still we can able to recover up to specific point of time. Okay, point of time. This concept we will call this concept as point in time recovery, right? PITR, point in time recovery. Okay, and one more thing, see this one. One more thing, actually, always best practice in real time. always best practice is restore, dump into on top of the same server. Can I do running instance? We will disturb or we'll choose any other alternative. In real time, always best practice is restore, dump into another instance. On top of that, we will apply binary logs. Okay, required binary logs. After that, once required object available, we will take the dump of the object, right? Dump of the table, restore into our target instance. Okay, target instance. So why I am saying like this? For example, see, don't disturb the existing instance. Okay, if you disturb, it will be not only for you loss, it is loss for all. See this one, my instance is there. Okay, one instance is there, MySQL instance is there. First one, MySQL server. So first point, what is there? 3 tables are there. First point, 3 tables are there. Okay, 3 tables are there. This is the first point. 3 tables. Second point, actually, backup taken. Third point, 2 tables created. 2 tables created. Okay. Fourth point, loaded huge data into first 3 tables. Okay. First I have three tables, right? For the tables, loaded huge data. Fifth one, by mistake, dropped newly created table. Okay. Sixth one actually loaded huge data into first 3 tables. Okay, first 3 tables. See this one. Now what happens? Suddenly this one dropped, right? Now this guy, engineering team asking, developers asking the tables back. Fifth step is there, right? By mistake dropped. So up to what point I need to recover? Up to which point? Now I need to recover. Up to which point I need to recover? I need to recover up to 5th point, right? Before 5th point, just 1 minute before 5th point, I need to recover. Then I will get the earlier created tables. But what is the loss for existing instance? 6th point completely lost, right? So that is the reason. Don't do that kind of thing. Don't do on the existing instance. You do one thing, take another MySQL instance. This one is the MySQL instance. Okay, MySQL instance. Simply restore the full dump. Full dump is there, right? Restore full backup. Later you do one thing, you apply logs up to 5th point. Don't touch the 5th point. Just 1 minute before for the 5th point. Okay, so I will get my table back. Even though this step missing, for me no impact, data lossing. I will get the table back. Then what is the, see here, this is the 7th step. This one 7th step. Okay, 7th step. Now 8th step will be take the tables backup, 2 tables backup. 8th step, 2 tables backup. 9th step, restore. So that means whatever the restore, dump, whatever the tables you want, you got the tables back. No disturbance to the running instance, right? Only the 2 tables I am restoring. This is the way we'll do the point in time recovery. If it is a smaller one, if your transactions not disturbing other instance, other objects, you can do on top of existing instance. Up to you. Okay. So first we'll do one thing. Just a minute, someone ping it, please. Yeah. So now we'll do one thing. First, for this perform the PATR, to perform PATR, binary logs mandatory, right? Binary logs needs to be enabled. So by default in eighth version, MySQL 5.7 until 5.7 off actually, okay? It will be default not enabled. So you need to enable until 5.7, but from 9 onwards, sorry, from 8, MySQL 8 version. 8 version onwards, auto enabled, okay? So for today, what I will do, logical backup, I will do on the this one 8th version. Extra backup I will do on 5.7. I'll tell you why I will do on the 5.7. I'll explain, okay? So ps-ef grab MySQL, okay? Instance running. Let it be su-MySQL. Let me log in. Use MySQL. So can someone help me? I don't know how to check whether binary logs enabled or not. Variable. So variables log underscore bin. So variables like mandatory. Log underscore bin. So it's on, right? Log underscore bin on. By default, it is on actually. If it is not on, what you will do in 5.7? Very simple. Go to the etc.my.cnf. Already I covered this one. In etc.my.cnf, we add one parameter log underscore bin equal to C. Which file you want? Log underscore bin equal to, you give the name. With that name, it will create the logs actually, okay? MySQL, use MySQL, log bin enabled. Check the binary logs, how many created? Binary logs. You see lot of binary logs created actually, okay? Earlier, lot of binary logs are there. And one more thing, yeah. Lot of binary logs are there. We'll do one thing. I can able to purge these logs actually. If I don't want, I can able to purge this. Wait, let me share the command with you. If use number of is there, then problem for me, okay? Purge binary logs. We have a command for that. Old binary logs, you can delete it. Purge binary logs. MySQL 8. Direct statement is there. Very easy statement actually. All the before one, it will delete actually. See, very simple command. You can give the timestamp also fine, or else purge binary logs to this one. See, come here, purge binary logs right now. This is the latest one, right? 28th is the latest one. I will do one thing. Last two one, okay. Before 26th, I don't need actually, okay? If I do like this, check binary logs, so binary logs, all gone, right? Wherever you are giving the number, same as PostgreSQL RK file deletion, okay? You can give that, automatically it will delete the previous files for your information, okay? Let me add this point. This is very important, real time. Sometimes due to huge number of transactions, binary logs will be filled actually, okay? So this one, the binary logs, binary logs, okay? Binary logs. Two things are there. One is you can mention the file name before files will be gone, but real time not like this. Maybe thousands of files is there. At that time, what we will go? Simply if your manager or team lead saying, hey, go and delete 1 hour before or 2 hours before. So then you need to follow different standard. Don't use the file. Manual approach also fine, but you can use the timestamp as well. Same as Oracle. This approach Oracle we have actually. You can give the timestamp. See, let me come here. Select now. Take the time. Okay, right now time is 9:24, right? I can do the command like this. This command is there. If I don't want, so now 9 o'clock, maybe before 7 o'clock, I don't want. So 2022 timestamp correct. It should be correct. Okay. 2022 08 03. So this one 9, right? 9 means I will make it as 07. For example, 07 24 past 2 hours back. Okay. If I can give like this. If any files before 2 hours, it will remove actually. Okay. Anyway, I don't have 2 hours before. One file is there, 26, maybe yesterday one. So that one deleted, you see. Okay. Like that, you can give that. Take the exact timestamp. This is the way to delete the delete files based on the timestamp. Delete old binary logs based on timestamp. Okay, timestamp this one. So I have my binary logs enabled. Do one thing now. If you want to check current log position, current which log is there, okay? So master status, okay? Status /z, it will print the output. So what is the current file? Position is log position is 157. For doing point in time recovery, I need a position only, okay? Position only main key role. And second thing, see, this is your current log file, right? So 28 is my current wall file. Current transaction log is running actually, okay? I can get it like this. Get current log position, okay? Current log position and log name. This is the one I can use it. Master status. Okay, let it be. So we'll do one thing. I will take the backup for your information. Positions, log positions will play key role actually. See, log position will play key role like LSN number. LSN number in Oracle. Log position will play key role in PITR, point in time recovery, and replica server. Okay, standby server is there, right? In these two cases, log position will play key role. Okay, that's the reason. Should be careful while taking backup. While taking backup for replica purpose, okay, or PITR purpose, always include master log position in the backup. This is very important. Okay, normal dump will be if you are taking no use. Okay, so that is the reason I will include the log position. 1 minute, one guy keep on pinging. Just a minute, please. Sorry. So we'll do one thing. This is important. Master log position. Yesterday, if you see, we have taken MySQL dump, right? If you open that one, there will be no log details will be included. So what I will do, if you are going with daily logical backup as your full backup, full scheduled backup. Okay, scheduled backup. Mandatory to include log position. Okay, log position. For example, most of the people left this option. No one is going with logical backup. Okay, 99% of the people going with Percona extra backup only. Okay, very simple this one. Percona extra backup by default it will include log position in the log file. Okay, log file. So we'll do one thing. First, let me take the backup. Take logical backup, full backup with log position. Simple command. So before that, I'll do what I'll do actually. I have small thing. See, let me check. So databases, how many databases we have? Raju sys test DB, right? Let me connect to test DB. So tables. Right now, I think 3 tables are there. Let it be. Let it be. We'll do one thing. Let me take the full backup. So for that, I need a directory, right? CD backup directory, LSF, empty directory only required, or else backup will not work. Okay, I don't have anything. PWD. This is my backup location. We'll take the backup. So for taking backup, same simple command only. Your one, I kept it here already. I don't want to take risk. See, during the session, if I'm keeping all the commands, MySQL very danger. Even for small gap is there, you will not get exact error. So what you have to do, you also don't know. Even how much senior it is, he also don't know where is going wrong. That is the problem. So see, simple command. I will not enter. So we'll do one thing. MySQL dump. Okay. -Urit, -P Nagaraju, all databases. Okay. Single transaction. I want to take whole dump as a single transaction. Routines means procedures. Already I told, right? Procedures, triggers, if anything. -E if it is there, events also I can add it. This is the option. Include log position. Log position after backup completes, right? My backup has up to this time. It will give a position. Okay. Log position. So by after adding master master data equal to 1, then only it will include the log position in the dump file. Okay. We'll see that. I'll show you. What I will do, my backup directory is home, MySQL. Oh, no. Home MySQL. Home MySQL backup. This is the one. Full dump.sql. Let me enter. Okay. Using a password on the command line interface can be insecure, whatever it is, no problem. I have taken the dump, right? Once I have taken the dump, go to this one dump file. Less. Open the file. If you see, here clearly mentioned your latest log file and your master log position. Okay. Your backup is available up to log position 157. Okay. Right now, sequence number is 157. Your backup has up to 157. Remember this one. I'll come back to this point. Okay. My point is this one. Just a minute. Let me take that one. I will paste it. My backup. Below is the log position. Log position. Okay. So that means what exactly it represents? From 1 to 157. Log position 157. Your backup is there. If anyone asks, I need up to 157 point. So if you restore the full backup, that is enough. You will get by default up to 157 position. Okay. So where I get it? Simple. Less your dump file or else cat make it this one actually. Simply you search with a master log position. This one. Grab with this one. Okay. Yeah, like this. Grab in your backup file. Grab. Sorry. Single statement. That's the problem. Wait a minute. So simply you can make it as a less. Don't go with more. Or else head. Go with head. 1 minute. Head -10. Head -10 also I don't think it will display. Head -20 not displaying. Okay. Almost head this one 30 you can make it maybe. Head -30. Head -30 displaying this one. Master log position, right? Position to start replication or point in time recovery from. So from this number, you need to start your recovery or replication one. That position is there. Let me add this command. For this one. Like this. Okay, your dump file. Now, below is the dump location. Dump location. So what are the dumps taken? You see. The backup dump files are there, right? PWD. LSF see single dump file, right? Full backup single dump file is there. How to make sure backup is completed? This is very important. Tail -10. Last line should be status should be displayed as a backup completed successfully. Dump completed. See, dump completed. If this one not there means dump failed only. Okay. So to make sure backup successful. Backup successful. Last line should be dump completed. Dump completed. Okay? This one Akbar, keep in mute. Whenever you need, you can unmute it. Yeah. So see this one. Okay, dump completed is there, right? Full dump. So now what I will do? Already my log position is there. Separately, I no need to take. Now for PITR purpose, point in time recovery purpose, create some tables. Create tables. Okay. After the backup, I am creating tables actually. So see this one. Create table, one table creating. Already we have department table, I think, in TestDB. Let me log in. Any database is fine, up to you. MySQL. So use TestDB. So tables. Okay, department to employee HR is there, right? We will create table manager. Create table manager as select star from. I don't want to insert data again. Same as existing table, I am inserting or creating. Okay. So I have created one table as an existing table. Don't do all the things. Simple. So instead of create, up to you. Creating table and inserting also fine. Or else you can do like this. Simple approach. Create table like existing table. Okay. Up to you. Let me take so tables. So I have manager table, right? We'll do one thing. I have inserted data. Let me insert manual also. Select star from manager. Okay. Manager, some data is there. Insert into manager values 5 comma Sam's comma this one 4000. Okay. So let me actually, okay, few insert statements also I done actually. Exit. So now by mistake, this guy dropped the table. Drop table, manager table. This table in backup, this table is available. My main backup. Full backup, this table is not there, right?
It's not available.
It's not available. So that part I will add here. Table is there. So after that, let me, yes, here manager table is there. Little bit. Wait a minute. Let me replace all the comments. So I have dropped the table, right? Dropped the table. This one. Table got dropped. Now if I restore full backup, it will not work. Okay, what I can do, already this one is there. Table, this one instance original data is there. Now you can do one thing. Simply you copy the, create one more instance, restore. That is also possible, but only simple table, right? Single table, I can get it easily. No point of going to another instance. For that, what I need to check right now, what is the master status? So master status, okay, /G. What is the position right now? Current position, you find it first, okay? I will find out current position. Perform the PATR, you need to, let me add that one. Perform PATR, find the current position, current log position. So below is the current log position. This one, okay? I have the current log position. Let me remove this previous one actually. Whatever it is. Now what I will do, my backup position, I know that. Where is that backup position? Yeah, here it is there. 157. So current position, this one. Current position 1241. So in middle only I need actually, okay? Until 157, if I restore my backup, I can get it. From 157 to 1241 only middle, this complete gambling happened. Creating table, inserting data, dropping, everything. These all the transactions happen between log position from C. Now you do one thing simply. So check the factor details actually. Backup log position. What is the backup log position? 157, I think so. Here 157, right? Backup log position is 157. Current log position 1241. Now I want to see what exactly happening in middle. After the backup, what are the transactions performed, right? For that, we have an utility. MySQL bin log. Everyone aware this one? I told already earlier. If you remember, MySQL bin log utility will read the what? Binary log file. It will print in a readable format. MySQL bin log. Okay, MySQL bin log. This is the syntax. Base 64 output decode. It will decode the rows. -vv verbose mode. Give your log file. Current log file is there, right? Current log file. This is my current log file. Okay, current log file. Do one thing. After that, you can read it into one file, up to you. Whatever the name you want to give, you can give it. So simply you can do like this. I will do here only, the backup location only. I will generate the file like a PITR, PITR data something text. What it will do, it will read the transaction log file and it will keep it into this text file in a readable format. Let me enter. What happened? Could not found 1 minute. MySQL bin log, it's there already. Wait a minute. Where it is? Okay, my bad. Wait a minute. Where it is? This is under /var/lib/MySQL. Okay, MySQL folder, right? Enter. Error could not open in the file. 1 minute. LS7LTR. Okay. I know. I got the point actually. It's in different location, right? I kept my transaction log in different location. etc my.cnf grep log underscore bin. Okay. By default, if you kept it, okay. If you have not kept, you will take the entry only. Where I kept it? Home MySQL transaction folder, MySQL session. There it is there. See, if you are not believing, go to that location. So for bin logs, I given separate location. Now check, it will be available. Sorry, 1 minute. Home MySQL transaction. Am I remove the folder? Less. Okay. Okay. This one actually transaction until transaction only. Outcome. Oh, MySQL transaction. Okay. So MySQL session file will be created like a MySQL day0.8 something. Yeah. So this is the one. This one ls-ltr. So normally if you keep in default, you will not face this kind of issues. I have changed the location, right? That is the reason I'm getting this error. See. So that file is there in this location. So we'll do one thing. Let me run the command, same MySQL bin log one. So give this path, full path, give the latest log file. See here. Let me enter. Okay. If I enter this one, ls-ltr, check the I'm the number one lazy guy. So I don't want in this folder. I will go to the else output. I need in a temp file. I'll make it like a temp. I don't want that output file in here. Okay. Enter. Perfect. So go to the temp. In the temp, that file is there. ls-ltr temp, that file created. Okay. Temp folder. So this is the one you can give. Read the file. Okay. See this one. This is to convert bin log into readable format. Readable format. In row format. Readable format at the same time row format. Each and every transaction, it will be printed like a one SQL statement. Let me open the file. Cat temp create data. We'll do one thing. Less, we'll go by less. I don't want complete one. Go by less. If you see, each and everywhere position is there. Little bit enter. See, I have created manager table. That manager table creation position is 234. Okay. Next position 364. What I have done, position 364, only session 1. Next 443 position, I have inserted data. See this one, inserted data. Next position 647. I have inserted data. Correct, right? So for example, see, next one insert into manager table. Next one insert into manager table. See, each and every row by it's there actually. Later, see here, drop table is there. Drop table which position? Drop table at 10 position. See this one. Open above table, above file, and find the log position of drop table statement. Okay, statement. This is one of the bad thing in MySQL. Manually you need to do. See, on top of statement, that log position will be there for your information. 1109, right? This is the position. If you want one more shortcut, not shortcut, little bit okay compared to the previous one. Cat grep manager table, right? For one manager table. See, whatever the statements performed in that, as part of this binary log, everything will be printed. Okay. If you have a 10 log files, 10 binary log files after backup, you don't know exactly what time that activity performed. If you don't know, only option each and every file by file, you need to write into the one text file. Later you can check like this, cat grep mgr, which table any transaction is there, like that manually you need to find it. See, so this is the way. Easy way is simply use the which table you want to restore, you can use the grep command. Okay, that is also one way. And one more thing, if multiple entries are there, one more alternative is there. Use testdb. So binary log events, log binary log events. 1 minute. Let me check the so binary logs. So it will display the latest binary log files. What I will do? So binary log events. I think so. Let me binary log events. Events in spelling events in this file. Okay, 28th file. If you see this, what happened? So binary log events, log binary log events. 1 minute. Let me get that command, original command. It will display each and every binary log without reading into the file. You can easily find it. So binary log events, yep, binary log events command. So bin log events, without converting as a text file, you can easily read it. Okay, log file name from log position. Okay, now need actually no need. So bin log events only. Yes, see. So bin log events. So bin log event. This one. 1 minute. What is the keyword I'm missing? No, okay. So bin logs in. My log name is this one, 28th. It should display. Okay, see this one. As part of 28. Okay, some events. What are the events? Insert statement. See how beautifully it is displaying. Insert statements and drop table statements. Okay, and create table statement. Everything from this bin only, right? It's very nice. This one. For example, if you want to see the 27th file, you see whatever the events performed, nothing performed. Okay, that's it. Like that, each and every bin log, DB level, we can find the events. Read the bin log file. To read the bin log file, instead of using MySQL bin log, right? MySQL bin log can use below approach as well. So bin log events, right? So bin log, so bin log events in so and so log file. Okay, perfect. Now I came to know that starting position, ending position, I know, right? So we'll do one thing here. That position is there, 119. So if I restore from my 157 position to, see, 157 position to 1109 position, can I get the table back? If I restore up to this position, sorry, up to this position, 1241, right? 1 minute. Drop 1241. End position, this one, end position, starting position 1109. Okay, if I go to this position, I cannot get this table. Which position I should go? I should go to the previous position, right? Then only for me it will work. Or else simply you can do, your text file is there, right? bi temp. What is that file name? I have given something. Today we create one file. What is that file? In temp folder I created, right? Create that, yeah, create your data. So you open that file, escape, search for drop table, escape :/ caps letter, drop table. See, drop table position 1109. I don't want to go to here. So I can go up to 1032 position. Okay. If I go to previous position, I can get my table back actually. Okay. 1032. We'll do one thing. So if we restore, if we recover up to before position up to 1109 before position 1032, we can get our table back. Okay, very simple, table back. For that, what can I do? See here, this one easy way I kept it, right? Very simple command. Same on top of the existing instance, I will restore. Okay, there will be no data loss. If you observe this one, binary log events, escape colon q not equal to. If you observe this one, MySQL, use MySQL. So binary log events, okay. If you observe actually, everything related to that same table, right? Manager table. So straightforward, I can do it. In middle, nothing is there. No other transactions, okay. If it is there also, I can filter it. I can run it manually. I can get my table back, okay. That one also possible, exit. So we'll do one thing, how to restore. Very simple. So you directly reading only option, directly read binary log using MySQL bin log utility and restore straightforward. Okay, restore. At a time I will do. See this one, MySQL bin log start position. Start position is your backup position. What is my backup position? 157, right? My backup log position. So on top of my backup log position 157, on top of this, up to what level I want to stop? See what is the previous point. If I go for 1032, I will get my table back. Okay, let me go to the 1032. Position is this one. I will give my position is this one, right? 1032. Where is your log file? Let me go to my log file. Bin log mandatory. This is my bin log. Okay, from this bin log only it will read the data, respective transaction logs like this. So MySQL directly, I'm logging into MySQL database and restoring at a time. See this one. For your information, let me log in once. Use testdb, show tables. Now, department employee HR is there. Okay, perfect. Now we'll do one thing. MySQL bin log on top of backup until 1032. I am applying changes from this transaction log into database. Enter. It's done. Log into the MySQL server. Use testdb. Okay. Show tables. So my manager table got back. What about data? Select count star from manager. Okay. 52 records are there. This is the way I can able to do the point in time recovery on top of existing instance. No, Rambabu, I don't want an existing instance. I will copy all the binary logs to the other server. Okay. I will restore full backup into other instance. Then you apply means you apply. Once applied, you can take the backup of the table, restore into running instance. Okay. That is one thing. If you go to binary log events, see this one. Here, other than this table, if any statements are appearing, don't follow this all logic. This MySQL bin log, read that and all. This nonsense things no need to follow. See, this and all no need to follow. If it is a combination of different table transactions, simply go with cat command. See, cat respective, the text file is there, right? Cat with the table name. So you got some statements, right? Simply restore, enough. Okay, you will get your this one back. Exactly. No need to do anything. Okay, straightforward. Don't include drop table again. Then it will come to normal. So only exclude the drop table statement and do your restore operation. This is the way we'll do the point in time recovery in MySQL. Anyone has any questions on this PIDR part?
If in between the other tables have transaction, that also will affect it.
That's what we are doing. If you want to do on the existing instance, what you will do? Simply do the cat command, right? Cat, that file grep whatever the table I want to do for PITR for manager table. So it's printing all manager table statement, right?
Okay.
Only manager. For example, see. Yeah.
Ram Babu,
One
can
minute, Akbar. So if you want to restore onto the existing instance, this is the solution. If you're going to restore in a fresh instance, you no need to bother. You can restore up to this one, up to this one, up to this one, this position you can restore. Whatever the transaction after that position, right? It will be not coming. So what you will do? For you, that is a temporary instance, right? Here, already that is the reason I given the paint actually. This is temporary instance. I'm restoring, I will get the table back. I will take the dump, I will restore it here. Later, once recovery the restore done, I will destroy this instance. Temporary instance. Okay.
Okay.
So if you want to restore on the existing instance, very easy. Read the bin log into file, the cat, easy. Akbar, now you can ask. You are asking something?
yeah, you use that extra without using extra backup. You are to using restore the point in time recovery perform using dump only, right?
Yes.
That okay. Can you give me the one more time that high level what exactly is we had done?
First, I have taken backup. Full backup I have taken. This is the command, full backup command. Okay. In the full backup, I include the log position. I told to the backup, include the log position. This is the command, master data equal to 1. It will include the log position. Dump file, if you do head-30 dump file, you will get the backup log position. Up to what level it has took the backup. It took until 157 point. Okay. My backup is ready. After that, what I done, I logged into the server. I created one table, manager table. Okay, one table I created. Don't do this one. Yeah. Either you can create independently or you can use directly. Create table name as another table.
Okay.
I created table. I have inserted some data. Okay. This manager table is part of backup or not?
Part of back? No, not backup.
It's not there in the backup, right? Previous backup.
Yes.
Suddenly the table got dropped.
Okay.
I have created the table. I have inserted a lot of data. Suddenly dropped. Now application team making noise. Hey, just now table got dropped. Okay. So what you will do? Log into the database. Find the current state. Current position. What is the current position? 1241. Okay. Current log position. So now if you want to recover the table until 157, how you will get it? You will get it with the backup. Correct, right? Until position 157, you will get with backup.
Yeah.
On top of 157, you have to apply pending logs, right? How to get it? What are the pending transactions from 157 to this current position? What is the current position? 1241. In between 157 to 1241, you need to find the transactions. What happened? For that, I can do like this. MySQL bin log, base output, decode rows, complete bin log. I want to see like a rows, hyphen verbose, log file, latest log file. Okay. This log file is there, right? That log file you pass it. It will write into the one file. Whatever the output file you are giving, it will write into that file. Open that file. In that file, it will be there lot of statements. Check for your drop table statement. I checked my drop table statement. That statement position is 1109.
Okay.
So if I restore up to this position, what will happen?
We will get the table.
I will not get the table. If I restore to this position, it will drop the table again. See, until this position, it will recover. At the end, you are giving drop table statement. Don't go to this position. Previous position check.
Oh, okay.
Okay. What is the previous position here? If I see, also you can see. So bin log events, right? Bin log events in this one. This is the drop one, right? Drop table statement, starting position, this one. If you recover up to 1032, you will get your table back. So create table, insert statements, everything will be there, right? Until this point. So what I done from starting point 157, ending point 1001. I use it like this. This is the command. MySQL bin log, starting position 157, stop position 1032 from this log file, directly load into the database. MySQL-u root-p, directly
Okay.
loading into the database.
Okay.
So I got my table back.
Mhm.
So point in time recovery, not only for logical backup, either if you take extra backup also same thing.
thing.
Extra backup will contain your backup and log position, right? Up
Yes.
to what position backup completed. On top of that, again I'll apply what?
Incremental backup.
Bin log positions.
Yeah,
Bin log positions. Okay, perfect. Okay, this is the way we'll do that.
Rambabu, I have a quick question. Why is it called Percona extra backup? Because you're using MySQL dump, which is a native tool.
No, this is not extra
This is
backup.
no. Yeah.
This is not extra backup. Up to now, still what I told today. See,
Logical backup.
no. Point in time recovery with logical backup, right? I clearly mentioned.
Okay.
Okay, this is still extra backup. I have not even covered. Okay, but see, no issue for you. What I'm saying actually, even though you people are spending more time on the backup and restore, right? Backup, restore, PITR. If you go to any company, most of the times, 80% of the work, backup and restore only, replication, these three only. Fail over, fail back, adding, joining, these kind of things only. Remaining all the things regular. But majority of the
Mubarak.
Yep. Hey Akbar, you keep in mute. Okay, so this is the way we'll do the point in time recovery. Up to you. Easiest way how you will find it, up to you. Okay. For example, if you have a 10 log files, in which file your respective statements are there, drop statement is there, how you will find it? In 10 log files are there, you don't know the exact time of table drop time. How you will find it? Which log file contains drop table? You need to find the bin log, right? Respective bin log. This one, how you will find it? That's what I given this command, right? So bin log events, for example, after backup, if you have a 10 files, each and every file, check the bin log events. Okay. Bin log events, whether is there any drop table statement is there, like that you check. Okay. If drop table statement is there, take the previous position, recover until that position. Okay. Understood, right? And one more thing, extra backup still Percona time is working for 8 series. The bad thing in 8, right now, see, let me go to this one. Right now, which version we are using? MySQL, it is 8.0.29, right? Exit, PWD. Let me go to my data directory, where live MySQL, LSF and LTR. LSF and LTR. This one, yeah, _log. So see, these files are mandatory. IB_log file 1, log file 0. Sometimes, if you go with the 8.09, 8.030, default it is not coming. 2 log files are not coming. Okay, somehow it's going to different way. That is the reason 8.029 and 30, 8 series, almost 8 series. They told issue is there. Still they are working. Lot of bugs are there. So tomorrow what we will do? First I will trigger extra backup on 8 series. So 8.029. If it not works, if it is showing any complex issue, I will install 5.7.38. That is the latest. 5.7.38. Then we'll go with the 2.4 extra backup. We'll take the full backup, incremental backup, full restore. Okay, incremental restore. Both the scenarios we'll see. Okay.
But Ram, actually, most of the companies are still using 5.6 only.
Which one?
5.6 version.
5.6.
Yeah, 5.6 version. Still, they did not migrate it because 8 is something new.
No, that's what I'm saying.
Mm.
All the companies still with 5 series only.
Yeah, 5.6 only. Yeah.
People who are in AWS, right? For them, no option. So we are going with 8. My all instances 8.0.26. Not a good practice, that one. Going with latest version, not a good practice. Lot of bugs will be there, right?
Yeah.
Especially production not recommended. So we'll do one thing tomorrow. Better I will go with extra backup 5 series directly.
Okay, Ram. Thanks.
I will show how to install 5.7. Then we'll proceed with the extra backup. Yeah. Bye. See you. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Sorry. What is that?
No, thank you, Ram. It was a good session.
Okay, bye.
That cluster.
Hey Akbar, this one you can take that only. Saturday only plan. I saw that.
Okay, did you find anything on that?
No. Again, you given only one node IP address you given.
Okay, but you know when I'm okay.
Do one
Then
thing.
you have
For Saturday, clean everything. Remove,
okay.
including software also you remove. 4 servers, open it, then come to me. I will
Okay.
do in 15 minutes. Okay.
Okay.
You
And
can
one more
record
thing.
or whatever you want to do, you can do.
One more thing, that can I create manually this AutoDB for
Auto?
replication?
No,
AutoDB
no.
not possible, huh?
Not possible. You
Okay.
should not. After cluster build, you can create. It will replicate automatically.
Okay. No, after installing monitor node, okay, remaining 3 nodes is there, right? In that I can create AutoDB and then.
No, why you will create replication? It will create automatically.
Okay, but it's not creating, right? It's
That's
going,
what I'm saying, right? You keep it everything ready for Saturday.
So if you don't mind, you know, there is any last videos there, exactly like you send 3 videos in that, you know, that is an incomplete what I have seen. Like
Auto
it
failure
might be
extension full video I sent to you.
in that also, like, you know, something missing, like
Okay. I
installation.
will share latest video. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Tomorrow I will share. Thank you. రజనీ, అది మీకు ఇష్యూ సెటిల్ అయిందండి. అది మార్నింగ్ నిద్రపోయానండి, మీరు పింగ్ చేసే టైంకి నిద్రపోయింది.
అవ్వలేదు.
ఒకసారి షేర్ చేస్తారు ఇప్పుడు?
షేర్ చేస్తాను.
సిస్టమ్ రెడీగా ఉందా? అది పుట్టి రెడీగా ఉందా? పుట్టి